I'm a realtor, welcome!
You're a realtor?
Yes, I'm a realtor. Welcome. I can't wait to show you our latest listing. I'm a realtor. Of course I appreciate a defined entryway and a gorgeous vaulted ceiling.
I'm a realtor. Of course I appreciate an eat-in kitchen with loads of countertop space as well as a pantry. I'm a realtor. Of course I'm gonna take a selfie in the primary ensuite. I'm a realtor. Of course I'm going to notice a beautiful wide staircase, perfect for moving your furniture.
I'm a realtor. Of course I love a wet bar and a built-in ice bucket.
I'm a realtor. Of course I notice when there's a structured wood floor basement. Perfect for adding extra plumbing, keeping your toes warm, and not only that, protecting you from any future flooding. I'm a realtor. Of course I notice beautiful egress windows in a basement.
I'm a realtor. Of course you're going to enjoy this spacious deck.
I'm a realtor. Of course I know the buyers are going to drool over the double oversized garage, complete with two 220-volt outlets, amazing for electric cars or doing all that handyman type stuff. And you can book a showing with your Winnipeg realtor and take a look at this amazing home.